Okay, in DaVinci Resolve, if you want to normalize your audio, meaning bring down the pitch of your audio. So if there's spikes, high pitch sounds, or if the sound is very low, you'll just bring it into more of equilibrium, if that's the right word. All you have to do is right click on your audio clip, and just click on normalize audio levels, and then make sure it's on sample peak program around about -5, and just click normalize. Okay, so that's pretty much that. So you can do this on all your clips. Right, thanks.